Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I have this look for you guys. It is a cranberry Valentine's Day look. Just a simple look this time, no gory craziness. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I did use the James Charles Morphe palette, so you guys have been requesting me to use that a lot recently. So this is the look that I came up with from the palette. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned if you'd like to see how I get this look. But before you do, make sure you guys go ahead, follow me on Instagram at Reesiibabe and at ReesiiMUA. Hit that subscribe button so you get more videos from me. Hit that bell button, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit.
I'm starting out with the color Punch Me, and I'm just blending this all over. It's going to be my transition shade. And then I'm going to go into the color Literally, and I'm going to get that all over my lid. And then right on top, I'm going to put Shook just right on top of the lid and blend that out. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the same with Literally on the bottom and Mary in the outer corner. And then I'm going to go into Benny just to make it a little bit more smoky. And this is the last color that we're going to use. Just cleaning up the ends, making it nice and sharp, and then heading into the BALM liquid liner, which is a great liner. It's super duper matte, but if it gets wet or, you know, runny, your eyes get runny, it'll definitely smudge. So I wouldn't recommend this for if you have watery eyes. But it's a gorgeous color. Then I'm going to follow with some mascara. This is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And then I'm going to go into a little bit of concealer to really perfect that line. And of course, Bottom Lash Mascara, girl. You know I can never leave the home without this. Then I'm going to head into some lashes. Actually, I lied. I'm going to go contour with some of the Morphe 8H palette, the color Donut, and I forget the other color, but it's right on top of it. Such a good palette for contouring and highlighting. I'm obsessed. I talk about this all the time. So I'm just really getting a good contour and bronzing up my face. And then I'm going to go into Cream Blush, which has been my favorite. This is the color Orange, and it is from NYX Cosmetics. It gives you a really nice, creamy, dewy, skin-like appearance without it being too powdery or anything like that. It looks like skin. Then I'm going to head into that same 8H palette and get the golden highlighter. I love these highlighters. Just this entire palette's like my absolute favorite. So I'm getting that everywhere. And then I'm going to go ahead and go into the lashes. These are the 3D lashes from Miss 3D Lash, and this is in the style 361. I'm going to apply a little bit of inner corner highlight, and then I'm going to go ahead into my lips with some Bespoken for lip liner from MAC. And then right on top, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Latte lipstick, blend that out, and then follow up with some NYX Espresso just to really clean up the line. I love the Anastasia lipsticks. They are the perfect consistency. They stay matte, and they are so incredibly long wearing. It's ridiculous. I love it. So I'm just getting that all over. I'm going to blend that in and just clean it up a little bit with that NYX Espresso liner. Just like that. And then the last step is to spray our face, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray it with some BADESCU facial spray right now. And that's it. That's your look. You're all finished. Happy Valentine's Day.
So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was very, very easy. Just a couple of quick colors and liner and lashes. I will have everything that I use down below, all the colors included, and the lashes that I use. So everything will be in the description box. Sorry, I got distracted by my nails. Everything will be in the description box below. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, follow me on my Instagram pages at Reesiibabe and at ReesiiMUA, and I will talk to you guys in another one. See ya.